Today we're about to replace the Serpentine belt on this 2014 Q50 3.7. We're about to do it without removing this coolant bottle. We're gonna try to do it without removing it. Okay, so let's start this. First things first, if you want to disconnect the terminal negative, you could do that because you gotta disconnect the manifold sensor. I already took off the intakes because I already had it off from another job. Yeah, so you need 8-10 mil to remove the sensors. Boom, boom, and now you see this. Oh yeah, that big thing that's here. Remove it. This thing, remove it, and you should see this. Now you should get I use this to hold the tensioner over here. Okay, to hold it, and yeah, let's do that. These are the tools you basically need: a ratchet, 3/8, and an Allen key hex to hold the tensioner. That's it. And draw out the how the belt went. Let me show you how I do it. Now we're gonna put this ratchet on the tensioner bottom. Okay, now I don't know if you see it, that's where it is. Okay, so we're gonna pull on it counterclockwise. So we're gonna pull this, we're gonna pull that way, then we're gonna just put this inside there. Okay, let's see, let me show you. Okay, now just down like so, and put your Allen key there. Put like this. Bam. This is the same thing as the G37s. I did a video on the G37. It's the same exact way you do it. Okay? But I didn't do this though. This is a little easier. It's more space. Okay, like I was saying, now I took off the belt. Belt. Like so. Okay, this is the draw out VHR motor 3.7. It's supposed to be power steering, but it does not have a power steering. It's electric. Okay, so it's an alternator, tensioner, idlers, crank, AC. Okay, this is how it goes. Pause it if you want. Okay, now I'm gonna follow the same thing and put it on there. Alrighty. Okay, as you see, I am all done. I followed the diagram and I put it on there. Now, reverse, just take this off, take off the pin, and that's it. Should be good. Take a flathead, take this out, and that's it. That's how you do the belt. And that's how you do the Serpentine belt on this 3.7 VHR Q50. Alright, so if I helped you out, give me a like and subscribe later.